All right, guys, good morning. We are going to be working on our Music Monday / Tune Tuesday text annotating today. So I was able to create this as a Google slide for you so you can work on it digitally. So when you click on the link, it should take you to this Music Monday Tune Tuesday assignment. So if we click on the assignment, and I know it looks a little different on my end because it's a teacher edition, but it says just like we are in class, you need to make sure that you are using text evidence, annotating, and answering using complete sentences. This assignment is a graded assignment. Okay, you are going to get graded on this, and this is not new to you. Okay, so you're going to click on the Google slide. And I believe it was David, I think, that recommended this song. I know Jordan likes it too, but it is Count on Me by Bruno Mars. So what you're going to do to make it a little larger so you can read it a little better, if you go up here with this magnifying glass and you hit zoom, or you just kind of go like, let's say 100%, there we go. Now it's a little larger for you. And if you scroll over, you'll see where it says annotate lyrics in the margins, there we go. On the other side, you have another spot here to annotate. So if I wanted to zoom out a little bit, let's say I wanted it at 50%. Let's say just like you would normally write on your lyric sheet, your annotating is going to go on the side right here. So you'll just type some of your annotations right here in the side margins, okay? To access the video link, you are going to click right here. I'm going to turn my magnifying glass off. You're going to click right here, click on the link, and you will watch this 3 times like we do in class. So the first time, remember we're doing closed reading, the first time you are going to listen to the song and the lyrics, okay? You're going to do some annotating, and then you're going to answer the first question on this slide. What are you thinking after the first read? Remember, I want complete sentences. Capitalization, I want punctuation. At this point, since we're on Google device or technology device, I would also like you to have correct spelling, please. Okay, so then after you answer the first question, then you're going to go back. You're going to watch it again for the second read. After the second read or second song, you're going to answer the question down below. After the second read, if your thoughts have not changed, elaborate your thinking from the first read using evidence from the text. Remember, I want exact evidence from the text. And here's a little tip and trick for you guys. To get evidence from the text, oh no, I thought you guys could copy and paste it, but it doesn't look like it's going to let you. But I want you guys to copy down, using quotations, evidence from this text to support your answer. Okay? Then you're going to watch it a third time. Okay? Third time. Then after the third time, it is what is the theme of the lyrics. Let me zoom in a little bit here. What is the theme of the lyrics? Use evidence. Again, you need to use evidence. Next question. What do you notice about the author's word choice, tone, point of view? Use examples from the text. And what opinions or connections can you make after reading the lyrics? Reflect on the way the song made you feel. I do not want you just to say, this song means that you can count on me, or that you can count on someone. Okay, I want a little bit more in-depth thinking, okay? I could tell you the song means to count on me just by the title of it. However, Bruno Mars does a lot more than just count on me. He has a lot more lyrics that he talks about right here. So I want you to use what he says throughout the song to share your thinking, okay? I am grading this. This is worth 10 points. I've shown you the breakdown in class about how these points are assigned. If you have any questions on that, feel free to message me today. But I want you guys to make sure that you are working on this as you would work on it in class, and make sure you actually, listen to the song 3 times, because it is so important. Every time you listen to it, you get more out of it. That's the whole reason we do this closed reading. All right, good luck, have fun, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.